Question number 4a. Complete the table by inspection of the solutions to the equation m plus 10 equals to 16. Now here table is given, m different values are given, and m plus 10 we have to substitute these values in place of m plus 10, and by inspection method means we will substitute different values of m and we will find answers. From these, by taking which value of m we get 16, that we have to find. So let us make first table column m and we write numbers that are given 1 2 3 4 6 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 and m plus 10. So first m is 1, so 1 plus 10 equals to 11. Then if m is 2, 2 plus 10 equals to 12. M is 3, 3 plus 10 equals to 13. M is 4, then 4 plus 10 equals to 14. M equals to 5, then 5 plus 10 equals to 15. M equals to 6, then 6 plus 10 equals to 16. M equals to 7, then 7 plus 10 equals to 17. M equals to 8, then 8 plus 10 equals to 18. And M equals to 9, then 9 plus 10 equals to 19. M equals to 10, then 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Similarly, if we substitute for m equals to 7, then we get 7 plus 10 equals to 17. M equals to 8, then 8 plus 10 equals to 18. M equals to 9, then 9 plus 10 equals to 19, and n equals to 10, then 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Now, from these two columns, as it is asked in the question that which solution satisfied m plus 10 equals to 16. So students, you can identify that when we substitute m equals to 6, we get answer 16. Hence, now by inspection we may conclude that m equals to 6 is the solutions of the above equations. Since for m equals to 6, if we write, then m plus 10 equals to 6 plus 10 equals to 16. Question number B. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solutions to the equation 5t equals to 35. Now here the table given is t, different values are given and the values are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 5t. We will substitute values of 5t and we will find the equations. So here we have written t, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This column means that these are the values of t. Now substituting these values of t, we will find 5t. So first 5t, first t equals to 3, then 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. Then t equals to 4, then 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. Then if we write 5t, so if we substitute t equals to 3, then 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. If we substitute t equals to 4, then 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. If we substitute 5 equals to 5, if we substitute t equals to 5, then 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. Now for t equals to 6, 5 multiplied by 6 equals to 30. Now for t equals to 7, 5 multiplied by 7 equals to 35. Now for t equals to 8, 5 multiplied by 8 equals to 40. T equals to 9, 5 multiplied by 9 equals to 45. T equals to 10, 5 multiplied by 10 equals to 50. And for t equals to 11, 5 multiplied by 11, that is equals to 55. Now, what is asked in question that which solution satisfied 5t equals to 35. So for which solutions we are getting 5t equals to 35? 5 multiplied by 7. So for t equals to 7. Hence we will write answer. Now by inspection we may conclude that t equals to 7 is the solutions of the above equations. Since for t equals to 7, 5t equals to 5 multiplied by 7 equals to 35. Question number C. Complete the table and find the solutions of the equation z upon 3 equals to 4 using the table. Now here z different values are given that we have written in column form z 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. And we have to find different values of z upon 3. Now students, here we have to take care when we write z upon 3. And when we do z upon 3, we should get 4. So let us find the equations of the solution. Let us find the solution of the equations by inspection method. So z equals to 8. So first of all 8 upon 3. Now this is improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. So if we convert it into mixed number, if we divide by 3 by 8, then we will get 2 integer 2 upon 3. 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 8. Next is z equals to 9, 9 upon 3. Now in this fraction, students, you can convert it into lowest term, 3 1s and 3 3s. Hence answer is 3. Next number is 10 upon 3. Here z equals to 10 is there. This is also improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed number. 3 integer 1 upon 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. Now we will substitute 11 upon 3. So if we substitute 11 upon 3, again this is improper fraction. So we will convert it into mixed number. 3 integer 2 upon 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 plus 2 is 11. Next number z equals to 12. 12 upon 3 if we take, again we have to do this in lowest term. 3 1s are 3 4s are. Answer is 4. Now 13 upon 3. 13 is which fraction? Improper fraction. So we will convert it into mixed number. Now if we divide 3 by 13, then we will get 4 integer 1 upon 3. Why? Because 4 3s is 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. So we get 4 integer 1 upon 3. Next number is z equals to 14. 14 upon 3 if we do, students, then if we divide 14 by 3, then what we get? We have to find it in mixed number. So 4 integer 2 upon 3 we will get. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Next is 15. 15 upon 3. If we divide 15 by 3, 3 1s are 3 5s are. So your answer is 5. Next number is 16 upon 3. So if we divide 16 by 3, again this is improper fraction. So we will convert it into mixed number, and that is 5 integer 1 upon 3. Now what is asked in the question? We have to find z upon 3 equals to 4 as the solution. So where we are getting 4 answer? Here. By which value of z we are getting 4 as answer? By z equals to 12. So let us write for the inspection method. Now by inspections we may conclude that z equals to 12 is the solutions of the above equations. Since for z equals to 12, if we substitute z equals to 12 in z upon 3, then 12 upon 3 we are getting answer 4. Question number D. Complete the table and find the solutions of the equation m minus 7 equals to 3. Now here for m equals to minus 7, the table is represented below. Here for different values of m we have written, that is given in question, and let us find m minus 7 value. So first m equals to 5 is there. 5 minus 7 equals to minus 2. Then m equals to 6. 6 minus 7 equals to minus 1. M equals to 7. Then 7 minus 7 equals to 0. M equals to 8. 8 minus 7 equals to 1. M equals to 9. Then 9 minus 7 equals to 2. We take m equals to 10. Then 10 minus 7 equals to 1. If we take m equals to 11, then 11 minus 7 equals to m equals to 10. If we take m equals to 10, then 10 minus 7 equals to 3. If we take 11, then 11 minus 7 equals to 4. If we take 12, then 12 minus 7 equals to 5. And if we take 13, then 13 minus 7 equals to 6. So what is asked in the question? It is asked that we have to find n minus 7 equals to 3. So when we are getting m minus 7 equals to 3, while substituting 10. M equals to 10. If we substitute, then 10 minus 7 equals to 3. So let us write answer. Now by inspection, we may conclude that M equals to 10 is the solutions of the above equation, since for M equals to 10, we get M minus 7, that is equals to 10 minus 7 equals to 3. Question number 5. Solve the following riddles. You may yourself construct such riddles. Who am I? So different riddles are given and we have to find who am I. Here the riddles are in form of the square 4 corners. 1. Go round a square, counting every corner thrice and no more. Add the count to me and to get exactly 34. So here we have to go round a square. So first of all, square contains how many corners? 4 corners. And second condition is what? That there is a thrice the number of the corners. So let us find answer of this. There are 4 corners in a square. That is this, go round a square. Second condition is thrice and no more. So thrice the number of corners in the square. Thrice the number of corners in the square is given. Now thrice means what? 3. And number of corners. Number of corners means what, students? Of means multiplication, and corners how many are there? 4 corners are there. So we will multiply 3 by 4. Hence 3 multiply 4 equals to 12. Now answer that to get exactly 34 as the answer we have to find. But when we have done product of thrice and corner, we get answer 12. So when 12 is added to the number, it becomes 34. From where we get 34? It is given in the question. So when 12 is added to the number we don't know. So 12 plus x equals to 34. So if we write 12 plus x equals to 34, therefore x equals to 34 minus 12, and that is equals to 22. Hence what is the number? Hence the number is 22. Now question number B. For each day of the week, make an up count from me. If you make no mistake, you will get 23. Now the result that we are getting is 23. We have to make an up count from the each day of the week. So let us find answer of this. The result given is what? 23. The result was 23 when the old number was up counted on which day? From which day? If it did not make a mistake from the week, then it starts from Sunday. So on Sunday. Now the result was up 22 when the old number was up counted on which day? After Sunday, before Sunday, then it is Saturday. Then the result was up 21 when the old number was counted on Friday. We have to take one day before. The result was 20 when the old number was up counted on Thursday. So we will write here Thursday. The result was 19 when the old number was counted up on Wednesday. So here we will write Wednesday. The result was 18 when the old number was up counted on before Wednesday, Tuesday. And the result was 17 when the old number was counted on Monday. So these are the days of the week we have written. Hence the number taken was at the starting was what? From what starting point we get? That is 17. And we have to do 1 minus of the 17. Why? Because it is given in the question that if you will not make a mistake, up count from me. If you make no mistake, you will get 23. So we have to take 1 minus from the question, from the last number that we get, that is 17. Hence if we do 17 minus 1, we get answer 16. Number 3. I am a special number. Take away from me a 6. A whole cricket team you will still be able to fix. Now, what is this riddle? It says that there is some special number and from that we have to take 6. We have to subtract 6. the whole cricket team, you will be able to fix it. So first of all, the question is of cricket team. So in cricket team, how many players would be there? There are 11 players in a cricket team. And it is asked if 6 is taken away. So if 6 is subtracted from a required number, it would be what? It would be 11, because it is said you can still fix a cricket team. So by which number we add to the 11 plus 6, if we do, then we get answer 17. So the number is 11 plus 6, that is equals to 17. Now how I come to know this? Because here it is said 66 is subtracted from a required number, means required number we doesn't know. So if we write x minus 6 equals to 11. Now therefore if we do x equals to 11 plus 6, hence we are getting number as 17. Question 4. Tell me who I am. I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back if you take me out of 22. Now it is said that who am I? Solution. The required number is such that if it is subtracted from 22, the result is the number itself. So which number if we take that if we subtract from 22, the number itself we will get. Suppose if we take 22 minus 3, then students we will get suppose if we take 22 minus 2, then the result will be what? 20. So by doing minus 2, we are getting some different number. We are not getting 2 itself. So in this question it is asked the number which we take, if we subtract, we should get answer the number itself. So this 22 is double of which number? 11. So then this 22 is double of which number? 11. And student, if we subtract 11 from 22, then we will get 11, that is number itself. So students, if we do 22 minus 11, then we will get 11. So we get number itself. Hence the number is 11, because if it is subtracted from 22, the result will be 11 only.